Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're diving into one of the most thrilling machines to come out of Italy, the new 2026 Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory. This superbike is the perfect blend of power, precision, and racing pedigree, built for riders who crave adrenaline and performance in every gear. With its MotoGP-inspired technology and flawless Italian design, the RSV4 1100 factory continues to push the limits of what a superbike can be. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2026 model a true masterpiece on two wheels. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory arrives with aerodynamic refinements that make it sharper and sleeker than ever. The signature triple LED headlight setup gives it an aggressive face, while new winglets integrated into the fairing improve downforce and high-speed stability. The sculpted fuel tank and tail section enhance rider ergonomics and control. Aprilia's black and red factory livery, combined with carbon fiber accents, gives the bike a race-ready stance that's pure Italian performance art. Performance and powertrain. Powering the RSV4 1100 factory is Aprilia's legendary 1099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, producing a jaw-dropping 217 horsepower. Mated to a 6-speed gearbox with a bidirectional quickshifter, the power delivery is seamless and ferocious. The lightweight aluminum chassis and fully adjustable Alline Smart EC 2.0 suspension provide unmatched stability and feedback, while Brembo Stylema brakes deliver precise stopping power. Every component, from the titanium exhaust to the forged wheels, is engineered for speed and control, making it one of the sharpest superbikes in its class. Safety and technology. Aprilia has equipped the RSV4 1100 factory with an advanced suite of electronics, managed by a 6-axis IMU. Riders get access to traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cornering ABS, and adjustable engine braking. The 5-inch full-color TFT display allows easy customization of riding modes and performance settings, ensuring that the bike adapts perfectly to track or street conditions. With improved aerodynamics and enhanced cooling, the RSV4 delivers peak performance with confidence and stability. Conclusion. The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory isn't just a superbike, it's a purebred racing machine made street legal. Its blend of breathtaking power, cutting-edge technology, and Italian craftsmanship puts it among the elite of the superbike world. Whether you're pushing lap times on the circuit or enjoying the open road, the RSV4 1100 factory promises an unforgettable ride. Stay tuned to my channel for more exciting reviews, first looks, and deep dives into the world's most iconic motorcycles.